We're starting course B. I need to go to Google Chrome. Or sign in. Oh, I have signed in. I need to go to here. And grade K-5. We started course A, but now we finished course A. Now we're starting course B. We need to do sequencing with Angry Birds. It says, to get the bird to the pig, snap the east block to the bottom of the when run block. Then press run. Yes, okay. So, when it's like this and it's turning yellow, it can't attach. But when you put it close and it's like this, and the edge over here, it's yellow, that means it will attach. This is attach both each blocks to the when run block to finish your code. Then click run. There's two ways to do this. You can do it one by one, or attach this over here, then attach this over here. It says grab a north block to the toolbox and add it to the bottom of other blocks. To finish this code, then press run. If this happens, you'll attach as if it's close enough. Ta-da! Southwest. Let me read this to you. It says there's an extra south block at the end of this code. Drag it to the toolbox to throw it away. So you drag it like this. Click on it. Your mouse might look like it's holding something, and you move it, and it'll look like this. When you put it anywhere, but in the blocks here, it'll throw it to the dustbin. It says, can you figure which block you need to add at the bottom of the other blocks? Finish this code. You need a south block because it goes over here, and then it needs to go down to get the pig. So that is south. It says try this one all by yourself. We need to go west 2 blocks, like 1, and 2. Ta-da! We finished. Now it's time to say goodbye. Yeah, see you.